This old plant rollerboard stayed outside for years. Some of the wheels tilted, some of the wood is rotten. Let's patch that up. First, I cleaned up, removed the old screws, old nails. And I selected some good bits of pallets that I cut to size. I'm using pallet wood without treatment, so they won't live forever, but they can be useful a bit more. Some slate needed replacing fully. A few staples to keep things in place, and I'll be ready to add the wheels again. These are using a special socket that is just wrenched in and then bolted. And finally, I can add a little bit of gel for wood protection. Testing.